Hello everyone, so today I've got another CapCut tutorial for you, and it's about making a circle crop that will make you have a talking head on top of any screen recording that you are doing. This video will help you to do that circle crop and then also give it a border. Hi, I'm Sese here and I make videos on tech, finance and life. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing family. So without wasting much time, let's jump over here to my desktop and then I'll show you how you can do this. So I have with me here two videos that we are going to use for this tutorial. The first one is a screen recording, a sample screen recording, and then the second one is a video of me making one of my videos that we're using as a talking head to overlay on this screen recording. Alright, so we'll go ahead and bring this into CapCut as well as this one. Now we are going to be working with this one first because that is what we are going to use for our talking head or the circle crop. So we'll bring this one to our timeline. After bringing it to our timeline, we'll head over to video and then go to mask. Then we'll select the circle. Now after selecting the circle, you click on one of the guides here and then drag to position your video very well. You can be dragging the playhead as well to make sure you have positioned the video very well in your player. Okay, so once we have done that, we'll go ahead to basic. We'll head over to canvas here and then we'll select color. So the color we're about to choose here will be the color of the border that will be around our video. So here I'm going to go for white. So now after going for white, you head over to your video again in the timeline, you right click and then you create a compound clip. After creating a compound clip, you head over to mask again, you choose the circle again, and this time around you also click on one of the guys to expand. Then we are dragging over this to position our border very well. And once we have been able to achieve that, we move over to basic. Remember, this is a very important step. You need to move to basic because if you move to mask and you try to drag, it will drag only the mask. So we'll move to basic here and then we'll click this video and then we'll click and drag it over here. We can adjust the size over here to position it where we want to position on our screen. And once we have been able to do that, we will bring our screen recording. Before we do that, I think we'll move this one to another timeline on top of it. Then we'll bring our screen recording here. So let's see how it plays out. So yeah, so we have this then we can be able to put our circle crop on this video. So here is how you can put a circle crop on a video in CapCut. It's very simple. Kindly do it and let me know how it turns out, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button. It helps us grow as a wonderful family on this platform. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.